Hello my beautiful angels, what's up? If you guys do not know who I am, my name is Krystal Marie. I love makeup, I love K-pop, and this is why I'm doing this video. I saw Sunmi's video, Heroine, and I was like, oh my goodness. I cannot sleep on that makeup look like I did with Kashina, so I was like, I'm going to do this one. This is me recreating her makeup look. Obviously, I don't know what she used exactly, so these aren't the exact things she used. So I tried my very best to recreate one of the makeup looks she had in the music video. It was a really nice mustardy yellow smoky eye with a really pretty like orangey brown rusty lipstick. I loved it. Oh, and she put like a little heart here, and I had to do it too, you know what I'm saying? I had to do it too. I absolutely loved filming this makeup tutorial for you guys. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me some likes, and leave a comment below. Let me know if you love this makeup look, if you love Sunmi, and let's get right into this tutorial. So the first thing we're gonna do is prime our face. I'm using the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer, which I absolutely love for priming, and also it is so cold in Miami. If I tell you guys that are used to the cold weather, if I tell you guys the weather, you're probably gonna be like, give me a break. But it's 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's 10 degrees Celsius. I googled it. No, I don't know how to convert that on my own. I'm like trying to fix the light. It's like a little wonky. But it is very cold. Miami is a very humid and windy place if you are not familiar with it. I'm putting NYX Angel Veil just on the areas where I tend to have larger pores. It's really great for putting in the T-zone. But anyways, so if you're not familiar, Miami is super windy, super humid. So the cold mixed with that is like piercing. My eyebrows are already done. I tinted them. I actually filmed a video reviewing that specific lip tint. You can go up here if you want to check it out. So I'm going to start with my eyes first, and then I'm going to do the face after. I'm going to be using the ABH Concealer in 1.5 to carve out my brows and to prime my eyelids. I took a couple of screenshots of the look that I want to do of hers, because she wore maybe like 2 or 3 throughout the video, and they just look stunning. She looks so beautiful here. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but oh my god, gorgeous. It's like a very nice like yellow mustardy shadow, and there's aren't many colors on her lid, maybe like 2, and then like a really nice rusty orangey brown lipstick. Look how gorgeous that is, with bold lashes and a bold wing. She looks beautiful. The closest yellow I could find to what she has on her eyelid is this one right here. This is Bad Habit Beauty's Retro Love Palette. It's a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture. I'm going to start just washing that color over the eyelid and on the crease. Then I'm gonna grab a little bit of that yellow and just go in with a bigger fluffy blending brush, a bigger fluffy blending brush, and just make sure that that is all blown out and smooth over the eyelid. I want it to be a really nice like mustardy yellow smoky eye. Now I'm getting an eyeshadow brush and just packing some really tight right where the eyelashes meet my eyelid, just to make sure there aren't any bald spots, since I was just kind of blending it out over the eyelid. So she basically just has like one color washed over the eyelid and maybe like a teeny bit of brown really close to the wing. But this is such an easy look to recreate. It is so gorgeous, and just, I don't know, just like a really nice just wash of color. And I love that she used yellows and did like a really nice full lip. I loved it. Now I'm looking for a nice brown color. The one in this palette is too chocolatey for what I want and for the look she has. So I'm going into my BH Cosmetics itsmyrayeraye palette, and I'm going to use this one right here. This is Mousse, a gorgeous nice light brown, and I'm just gonna grab some of that with my shadow brush, and I'm going to just pack it on right on the outer corner of the eyelid, just like that, just the outer corner. And then I'm going to blend that out, not bringing the brush too much, because then you're gonna start distributing it everywhere. Just going to keep it right there in the corner where I placed the shadow. It's just gonna add a little bit of contour to the eye, a little extra smokiness, just like make the eye look a little more angular and pretty. You see, it doesn't do a whole lot, but it adds just a little bit of depth. Do you guys like Heroine more or Kashina more? I can't choose. I still have Kashina, like, I love that song. So, I don't know, but I think Heroine is beautiful, and it's like, it's not like Kashina, but it's like a really good song to follow Kashina. I think she didn't try to make like a copy of it. I think she made a really good different song to follow it. Now I'm gonna get a makeup wipe and clean all of that. If you ever feel like you can't keep your eye look at a really nice angle, or it's just, I don't know, it's hard to maintain like a really pretty smoky eye because sometimes it gets too low and you're like, what did I just do? Do your eyes first and your foundation and concealer after. So when you do your eyes, just go in with a makeup wipe and clean it up. Bring it all the way from the corner of the eye to just under the eyebrow. That's a perfect tip for making the eye look more angular and just, I don't know, I love it. I think it's pretty. I ran out of eyeliner, so I went out and bought these two. I've never used any of these. This is the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner and the Rimmel London Scandal Eyes. I'm gonna use the Rimmel London one since it's like a felt tip pen, so it might be easier to do a really nice thin wing, because she has a bold wing, but it's not so much that it's like this huge, thick, crazy wing. It's just very like sharp. It's beautiful. I think, okay, I need to put my brightness up because it's ridiculous. Oh no, it's actually all the way up. Ooh, this is just a really dark picture. It's just a you can't see. So I'm starting the wing very, very thin, very close to my lashes. And I'm gonna follow the line that I cleaned up. And then bring it in. I'm gonna put a little bit of under eye cream just to make sure they're hydrated, because since it's been so cold, you know, it looks a little crazy down there. Now with my waterproof black eyeliner, I'm just gonna tight line so that it doesn't show any gaps between my lashes, my waterline, and my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna put my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara so then we can put some falsies on. She has some nice bold lashes, but I noticed that Korean women, K-pop idols, they don't wear bold lashes like how we do in the West, like insane bold lashes. They wear more like delicate, wispy, bold lashes. They're not as insane as ours because, you know, we're like extra in the most extra way possible. So my eyes are a little watery right now, so I'm not gonna put falsies on right now. I'm gonna wait to do that at the end. So what I'm going to do is my base, foundation, concealer, and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to use today, for just the center points, I'm gonna use Missha's Magic Cushion. This color is light for me. I don't know if you can really tell, it's very, very light. But you see, it is light for me, so I'm gonna use that as more of like a highlighting base. I'm just gonna kind of dab my sponge into it and then go pressing it in the center. I'm gonna start putting my base center outward. Now for the outer perimeters of my face, I'm gonna use the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Now this is my actual shade. I'm just doing this because I want a bright center of my face, and Sunmi for sure does not have a lot of makeup on. She doesn't have a really harsh contour or anything, so I'm just gonna do some light cream contouring just to bring back a little bit of warmth to the face, but I'm not gonna do anything major, just like the little parts that you see. For concealer, I'm gonna be using this one that I haven't used in forever. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. And I'm just going to put some in the inner corners, a little bit on the chin to highlight, and a little bit on the forehead. I'm setting one eye at a time so that I do not crease. And to make sure that that under eye is highlighted, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder, which I love. I use the color Fair Light because it has a really nice yellow tinge to it. And I love for my under eye powders, if they're not translucent, to have that yellow tinge. I love this setting powder. This is one of the best things Maybelline has ever done. I have like random specks of glitter on my face. I don't know how that got there. I don't recall using glitter recently. I always end up with everything in my hair or like on my face. Like if I'm eating like bread, I'll have bread everywhere. Like you'll see my face and you'll be like, you just ate, clearly, because you have food everywhere. So it's the same with makeup. You can tell when I filmed because I'll have glitter like in my hair, under my armpits, I'll be covered. Now I'm just going to lightly set my face with my RCMA No Color powder. This is a translucent powder. So this, I am using it for the entire face. Now while everything just sets, I'm going to get a little bit of Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just kind of sweep that over my face. Nothing harsh, just to kind of set the cream contour in place. That's really more the purpose I want it for, not to like intensify the bronze or the contour at all. Now I'm really realizing the boldness on the inside of my brows from the brow tint. Whew. I still love it though. I feel like it's like just so easy to put on. It's just like, you know. I'm gonna give myself a little bit of highlight with the Maybelline Master Chrome. Just a little bit of light. Nothing too heavy. Now I'm gonna set my brows with Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel, just to keep them in place and get rid of any powderiness they kind of might have gotten along the way with all the powder I have on my face. Now with a really small pencil brush, this is the Morphe E18. I'm going back into Rebel from the previous palette we used. And I'm going to just blend that in the lower part of my eye. I'm gonna pop a little bit of highlight in the inner corner. And right on the inner part of the lower lash line, just to bring more light in that corner and to kind of open my eyes a little bit. I slept horribly last night. I woke up so many times and I don't know why. Now we gotta do the eyelashes. Dun dun dun. I feel like I'm like, ugh, if my eyes start watering. Everybody hold your breath in 3, 2, 1. I am almost appalled at how cheap these lashes were. These lashes were $1.88 on AliExpress. My sister got them for me. She's like the AliExpress queen. My lashes are drying, so the next thing I want to do is draw a teeny little heart, which she has on her cheek that I noticed. She's a little wonky, but I think you could tell it's a heart. Looks cutie. So for lips, she has like a really nice like orangey brown. I actually really want to know what lip color that is. So I have two. I'm gonna do like a little mix. I'm gonna mix Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in Hilda, and I'm also gonna mix it with Fenty Beauty's matte lipstick in Freckle Fiesta. This one's a little more orange, so I'm gonna be putting this one like dead in the center. You see? That's much more orange than what she has, but this one has more brown, so I feel like that's gonna do like a little balance. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of that Fenty right in the center. Ooh, this is beautiful. This combination is so gorgeous. I love the makeup they did on her and the combination of colors. I bought this setting spray, Wet n Wild Photofocus Natural Finish Setting Spray. I've never used it before, so today is our first time. I'm gonna spray this on before putting my mascara in my lower lashes. I believe she did have mascara in the lower lashes. We're gonna see. But I'm gonna just spray this on first. Wow, that sprays a lot. I hate sneezing when I have lashes on. I feel like they're gonna fall off. I'm so happy with this makeup look. Now I'm gonna put some mascara just in the center of my lower lashes. I noticed that she only has mascara right in the center, and I know that that makes your eyes look like more like dolly, bigger. So you can put mascara very thinly on all the lashes, but kind of turn your wand so it could be a little heavier in the center. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? I love it. I love the makeup they did on her, and I had an awesome time recreating this, just kind of like looking and seeing like, what do I have that I can kind of make it look similar? And also, do you guys like my hair like this? This is my natural, unironed, unblow dried hair. I'm gonna start trying to, oh, I got glue on my hair. My hair is like kind of like frizzy, and then from ironing, I have glue all up in my hair. You see what I told you? I always have things in my hair. My hair is like naturally like kind of wavy sometimes, and then kind of poofy when it wants to be, and kind of frizzy, and like sometimes some hairs are straight, others are wavy, and it's like I don't know what's going on. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys support Sunmi. I love you all. Thank you guys so much for being so awesome, so wonderful, and yep, stan a queen. Bye.